Welcome back, Roses. This is Olina from Olina Roseanne, and today we're going to do a flat twist updo with 4 different products from Amali Organic. So stay tuned. Okay, so since my hair is already washed, we're going to start off with this fortifying deep treatment and get this hair deep conditioned. For the next couple of minutes, please disregard the foggy lens.
Nice and smooth. It's not super thick, but thick enough obviously because it's not falling off my finger. Smooths on nicely. Hopefully this will give me plenty of slip, so let's find out. It almost reminds me of peppermint, like peppermint's in it. That's what I'm getting from this scent. It is clearing up my nasal passages, so I enjoy that. Massage gently into scalp. That's nice that you can massage this into your scalp or suggest it per the directions, because not all deep conditioners suggest that. So I love anything I can rub on my scalp. This slip is okay. Okay, it's getting better. Oh, refreshing, fresh, cooling sensation. Now I see why they suggest you put it on your scalp. This feels so good, you guys. Going on 1 a.m. I'm just going to put my hair into twists a few hours while I sleep, and then I'll be back to styling once it's daylight. Okay, I'm back. So it's almost 2 days later, and obviously my hair is dry, shriveled up, so I'm gonna wet it. And I thought about wetting it with water, but then I'm like, wait a minute, I have the Unknot Me Milky Detangling Mist. Okay, so what this is supposed to do, this conditions and detangles. It makes hair manageable for styling. It says use on wet or dry hair. So perfect. I'm going to rehydrate my hair with this. Oh, okay. So there's a lever right here. See that? Okay. This way. Oh, and it sprays instantly. First spray. Guys, know not all spray bottles will spray on the first time, but this one does. So comes out pretty strong. It smells good. It smells citrusy. It looks milky through the bottle. Let's see. Okay. And it is milky. Almost like a lotion, but a watered down lotion. I like that consistency. It smells really good. The smell alone makes you want to rehydrate your hair. So we have the Curl and Define Hair Pudding. It says it's a non-flaky curl enhancer. This will help with the front twist here. Once I undo them, we'll see how much it enhances my curls or the texture I'm trying to create. This Curl and Define Me Hair Pudding is formulated to naturally help define curls without causing dryness, thinning, or hair loss. And I actually have serious thinning on my edges, so anything to help with this. And the other thing about a lot of the products through Amali Organic, they include black castor seed oil, which is in their black castor line, and we are also going to use it in this product here. So this is the hair growth cocktail. Sounds like music to my ears. Okay, it's black castor oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, olive oil, avocado oil, mango extract, vitamin E. Ooh, I like the sound of this. Going back to this, it doesn't just say vegetable glycerin, it says kosher vegetable glycerin. Love that. Coconut oil, aloe vera juice, slippery elm root, soybean oil, avocado oil, castor seed oil. So castor seed oil is in this as well. So let's take a look at the inside of this. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. The royal blue. Nicely sealed. You see that? Look at that creaminess. Nice and smooth. Feels like it has plenty of slip. Filled all the way to the top. It smells good too. Everything has a citrusy, tropical-like smell. Every single product. It's very inviting also. It reminds me of vacation to a tropical island where I really want to be right now. But you can have that in your hair instead. Taking down my flat twist was effortless. As you can see here, I had no flaking. My scalp remained moisturized, as well as my hair, the shine, and as I mentioned earlier, the definition. Y'all, look at this. All I gotta say is Amali Organics got an A+ from me. Look at this. Just look. Well, Roses, another successful style with products that are great. If you're interested in checking out Amali Organics, make sure you use my discount code I'll leave in the description box. If you can remember it now, it's Olina20. You really don't want to miss out on these products. Make sure you visit them at amaliorganics.com. And Roses, make sure you subscribe. And I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.